Hello, in this example I will demonstrate the difference in programming when you have to update a HTML paragraph. Say for example here my qualification is say SSLC and I want to change this SSLC using a program, say where I enter my new qualification here, say MTech. Okay, when I click on this it will update that. So I will show you how to do this, and here I will show you when you update a input field, say hello, and this input field is transferred to another input field. So there is a difference in programming required for these two scenarios, so I will demonstrate that in this example. Okay, uh, so here uh, uh, there is a my qualification is, and I have created a span here. Okay, the span can be used within a paragraph, and this is identified by an id called my qualification. And when this button update paragraph is clicked, when this is clicked, this particular event gets triggered, and then uh, I retrieve the value of the new data entered in this input field from this particular uh, selector. So to read a input field, you have to call dot val with brackets, and this will return the value of the data entered, and that goes to this content. And this content I am copying into the, I am passing it as an argument into the my qualification selector. That is this part. So it removes this SSLC and updates the new qualification in that field. Okay, so when you update a paragraph, you have to use .txt. Same thing for title and other HTML tags. Okay, and in the other case I will be reading the input field that is entered. Okay, and updating it as .val to the uh, other form which I am trying to update. That is, in another form I will be setting this value with .val. So the difference is, when you update a input field, you have to use .val with the new content, and when you update HTML tag, you have to use, when you have to update HTML data, then you have to use .txt. Okay, now we will go through the tutorial point website to understand more. Okay, in the tutorial point website, if you go to jquery DOM section, that is here. Okay, and you will find some examples here that are good to go through. And also in the bottom of that, there are many other methods and their descriptions which you can use. For example, instead of using .txt, you can use .html in one of the situations which I just shown which I just shown you. For example, we used this one, text and pass the val, and instead of that you can use HTML. You can see the difference what happens. Okay, uh, and also there are some more. You can experiment with each of them and try to understand which of that will be useful for your application that you are going to develop.